Guys, we're talking a real cold start. It's snowing. We're gonna take the bike, stock pipes, and change out the exhaust. So let's see what cold start sounds like. This will be a cold start of the bike. We made it on a snowy night. Got caught up in the snow. It was clear the whole day just up until you got home, right? The S&S Performance Exhaust, part number 556043. Shotgun. Okay, so it's the next morning and we are going to put the pipes on. Snow's melted, everything's a little dirty, so now might be the time to take them out. But without further ado, let's go take a look at what we need to do. I've taken them off a few times before to do the brakes, so it should be quick and easy, hopefully. And let's just show you real quick what to take off. Okay, since we're only going to be replacing the slip-ons, it's the rear end of the exhaust system. We're just gonna take off these clamps here, exhaust clamps, and then take out the fasteners that hold slip-ons to the bracket, which are those ones right there. Hopefully it all goes smooth. All right, so I got the top pipe off. You can see this is where those screws would thread through. So these are the original pipes, the OEM. Satin chrome, and these are the new ones, which will be in regular chrome. As you can see here, the big difference is you literally cannot see through that pipe. And on the new one, you can definitely see some daylight through there. But this one in particular came with some plastic in there, which I'm gonna have to take out. It really sucks, kind of annoying. But this one's, the top one is all good, so. Take that out and we'll put these in. See what they sound like after. All right, time to start fitting these on. These will go back onto the bracket. And the clamp will go in between these right here. Let's do it. This is the general reference of torque values based on the official Harley Davidson service manual. So we're looking for the exhaust pipe, clamp, lock nut, 20 to 25 foot-pounds for FLST FB, which is this model here. Guys, we finally got them in. It was a struggle. I'm not gonna lie about that, but they are beautiful. They look good. I think we're gonna do an initial startup. I got the back door open. Let's see if it's everything I hoped it was. Okay, cold start. First start of the pipes, S&S. Sounds like it's cracking. That is a lot louder. Sounds more old school than I thought, so I think we're gonna be just fine.